Oh man, so two of our favorite coins, DOT and Link, are both producing beautiful chart patterns and are suggesting a lot of upside potential. I'm going to share with you what patterns we're seeing, how we're getting on with them, what's our price target, and what are we doing with this, right? Do we like these coins? Do we like these projects? We're going to take a look at these coins. As always, guys, if you like my perspective, please hit the like button and subscribe. But before you do that, go and claim your free money. Free money, links in the description. Swissborg are offering up to €100 if you deposit just €50. Same from Coinbase, will give you $10 in free Bitcoin if you buy or sell $100. And BlockFi will give you $10 in Bitcoins if you deposit $100 or more in crypto or equivalent. So go get your free money. Nobody gives you a free lunch in this world. So go and pick that up. So back in my hotel room, been a long day. But we've had a good day because DOT is up 3% and Link, although it's slightly down today, we're going to be happy because it's still following our patterns. And if you guys have been watching for a while, let's look at DOT first. If you guys have been following this for a while, we called out this cup and handle pattern very long time ago. And you can see this cup and handle formed on the daily chart. And we got a beautiful breakout here on the 13th of October. Now, after the 13th of October, you saw how we had a nice move to the upside. And by the way, already at this point when the cup and handle pattern was forming, we set our price target at the top here at $61, which tied in with our Fibonacci level. Okay, so that was our $61 target, tied in with our Fibonacci level. We knew if we wanted to trade that on a medium to long term, it's a beautiful move possible for DOT. Now, we then entered a bit of a bull flag. Okay, so this pattern here, where you kind of consolidate, is your continuation pattern. You expect to break out to the upside. Again, another beautiful trade headed up in the direction. You can still see my drawings are still there from the previous videos, and we're really setting up to go and meet our target, right? We're sitting there at 53, and I think Polkadot is easily going to eclipse that target and even head to our more bullish target, which on the Fibonacci level suggests that we could be seeing at least a $74 Polkadot. Now, you guys know I like tying in my technicals with fundamentals, and that's why this was such an easy play for us here on this channel, because the technicals were screaming to us cup and handle pattern, right? It was screaming to us it broke out. It was screaming to us that it was a continuation pattern. And then when you tie that in with the fact that Polkadot announced their parachains, you've got the parachains starting, the auctions going on, loads of good news with Kasama, loads of great projects now being understood and seen, you know, from Akala, Fala, you've got Moon River, Moonbeam, all these projects now launching on or trying to become an auction winners on Polkadot, just shows how big Polkadot has become, and they have some serious potential, guys. Anybody who's written off Polkadot over the long run is absolutely mistaken. This is, you know, Gavin Wood, ex-founder of Ethereum with Vitalik, and at the time Charles Hoskinson. I mean, this you cannot bet against this guy. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's created this hub and spoke model where you can spin up blockchains at a second. He's created a great incentive mechanism where people can, you know, buy DOT and lock their DOT up for 2 years to help one of the parachains, right? So, you know, it's a very clever system. A lot of things to help the price of DOT move to the upside, and that with that beautiful chart really suggests an explosive November, December, and January for Polkadot. I think Polkadot's just getting started. It's been sleeping for a very long time. It's a great project. If you've not watched my altcoin video, you guys know this is a staple of my portfolio, and it's definitely one you should not be missing out on. Now, we're also going to take a look at Link, because Link is also showing the exact same pattern. Again, we've been covering this for a very long time. Now, Link is having a little bit of a wobble here, okay? So you can see it's following very nicely, and obviously these things aren't always perfect. It's had a little bit of wobble there, trying to come out of our handle pattern, but it's still looking very good. Looking very good. If we can get a break out of the neckline, which is sitting right there at 35, that's your neckline just there. If we can get above that neckline and break to the upside, we have a price target on Link of all the way up at right there, $56 per link. Okay, that's almost a double on your money there, and then we're just getting started on Link. Because if I show you my longer term price target, if we look at the swing low to swing high on the Fibonacci ratios, I've got a price target of 77.5 on Chainlink. Even that is being super conservative, guys. I keep harping on about Chainlink from a fundamental perspective, but they are the de facto data oracle. Anybody worth their soul who's building a VC-backed smart contract platform or DApp who needs data feeds, they're not going to go with somebody else other than Chainlink. right? It's like setting up an email account and not going with Microsoft as a business or something like that. They're just the gold standard, and you go with them. And that is what Chainlink is. They're so far ahead of their competitors in terms of branding and how it works and their partnerships, that Chainlink is a must-have in your portfolio. When you think about narratives, which is I always say, think about the different themes. You need a data oracle play, and for me, that's Chainlink in my portfolio as a long-term hold. The chart showing beautiful patterns on shorter time frames, or kind of your daily and weekly charts. If you wanted to trade it, that's fine. Go and do so with your stop losses and risk management. But for me, this is a hodl. There's no need to trade this. I just want to accumulate as much Chainlink as I can, along with the rest of the high conviction plays in my portfolio. And this is the kind of coin I'm happy holding. Like I'd happily hold this for a long time, because I just think Chainlink and DOT just have an amazing future ahead of them. And even if they have times where they're struggling to move because Bitcoin's not moving, I'm fine with it. Because if Bitcoin goes and does a triple now, there's no reason Chainlink can't do a 6x and get to $180 per Chainlink, right? There's no reason why not, because from a fundamental perspective, the solutions it's providing justifies that. That and DOT, they are real solutions, real projects with real code, real use cases, and those are the high conviction plays I want to have in my portfolio. So there you have it, guys. There's an update on Chainlink and DOT. Both looking really excited, beautiful technical chart patterns, but more importantly, the fundamentals to then have confluence between those really shows that we're setting up nicely on both these projects. So still super bullish on both these projects for those asking. As always, if you like my perspective, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to join our free public Discord server, link will be at the top in the pinned comment. That community is growing rapidly, guys. We only just started it probably over a week and a half ago, and we're over 110 members in there. So do jump into there, like-minded people chatting about crypto, talking about their favorite coins. You can ask questions, you can share chart patterns, they share chart patterns. I jump in there into the conversation as well. You can vote on your favorite coins, which I will then cover on this channel as well. So make sure you're heard and part of the community. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.